A benefit of Audit Flow is its ability to store supporting evidence in the form of Word, Excel, PDF, image, emails, and message documents, which can be easily uploaded or dragged from the accountant's server to the client file. The objective of this video is to demonstrate how to upload or drag documents from the accountant's server, link documents to a particular item or procedure within Audit Flow, and access audit evidence once it has been stored within Audit Flow. The first step is to identify and locate on the firm's server the relevant documents to be used as audit evidence. After identifying the relevant documents to be used as audit evidence, the auditor then needs to determine where within Audit Flow you would like this to be stored. Some auditors choose to create an entire new folder on the workpaper index to store all supporting documents. This can be achieved by clicking on the drop-down arrow to the right of the workpaper index menu item in the top left of your page, clicking on New Folder, and giving the new folder a workpaper reference and name, such as SD Supporting Documents. Once you have done this, by navigating to the workpaper index, we can see that this new folder has been created. Others elect to store the audit evidence in the relevant lead schedules. For example, share registry documents in lead schedule F1.1, bank statements in lead schedule F2.1, and other auditors may elect to store the evidence in any other place desired. We will now demonstrate how to drag audit evidence into the audit file. In this example, the SMSF holds shares in listed companies. Therefore, for the purpose of this video, we will drag a copy of share registry documents for a sample selection of shares to the Shares in Listed Companies lead schedule. In the first example, the document is a share registry printout for AMP Limited. We simply tick on the box to the left of the schedule next to AMP, click on the AMP document, drag and drop the supporting document into the audit lead schedule, and give the document a reference number and title. An alternative situation may exist where the share registry printout for all listed shares may be in one PDF document. In this case, we could tick the boxes next to the samples selected for verification, for example Tabcorp, Coca-Cola and ANZ Bank, and then drag the bulk PDF to just one of these shares, which gives the document a title number and reference which you may wish to edit. And as you can see, the document will be placed alongside each of the shares with the tick mark. Finally, another alternative may be handy when we have the one bulk document that may be hundreds of pages long. In this instance, we may instead wish to drop the entire bulk document, which contains audit evidence for the entire fund, into the supporting documents folder we created earlier. After doing this, we could go back to our lead schedule and reference the particular shares to the SD folder. The problem this may cause, particularly when the document is a very large document, is that it may take the manager or partner a long time to find the document amongst the hundreds of pages when reviewing the audit. Therefore, another function that may assist is the ability to provide narration by clicking on the green cross and placing the page number of the particular evidence item into the comment box. The auditor can also drag any particular document up or down the lead schedule if required to a more suitable location within the lead schedule. After placing the supporting documents into the lead schedule, Audit Flow provides the auditor with a number of template tick marks, as well as the ability to create customised tick marks, which the auditor can use to verify particular assertions and compliance with the relevant SIS requirements. The auditor can add these tick marks individually next to each of the documents tested. Alternatively, if the auditor ticks the boxes to the left of each of the items tested and then allocates the tick marks, you can see that the tick marks then appear next to each of the items ticked. When we are completing the audit program for listed shares, in the Audit Program A2, when asked to provide evidence of ownership and market value, each procedure can be referenced to the evidence stored within the lead schedule. Should the auditor wish to access any document that has been dragged into audit flow for review or other reasons, the auditor has two options. 1. Check out and download, or 2. Download only. Option Check out and download should be selected if the auditor wishes to make changes to the work paper. If this option is selected, no other staff will be able to access the document until it is uploaded again into audit flow. Download only should be chosen if the auditor simply wishes to view the work paper. For example, if the audit manager or partner is reviewing the staff's work. Should the auditor wish to delete any particular document previously uploaded, go to the lead schedule, hover over the preparer's name and untick the box, and then open the drop-down arrow next to the cog on the right of the document and click Delete.